Hello, today we are going to show you how to pair EchoChime300 receiver with telephone signaler. Firstly, we have to insert battery to the telephone transmitter and to the receiver. Put it already in. Open the battery compartment on the chime receiver and locate two buttons above the batteries. Now you have to press and hold the left button for 3 seconds and the LED will flash. Press the left button again to select zone with the telephone icon. And press the melody selector to scroll through the melodies. Once you hear the telephone sound, do not press again as it is now selected. Once you have selected the zone and sound, press the test button on the telephone signaler once. If successful, the receiver will generate a short tone, which we've already heard. Now press the left button to exit pairing mode. Now it's ready to use. To check if it's correctly paired, we have to press the button on the transmitter, and now we can see the melody is in and it's paired and ready to use. Thank you for watching us. If you need more information, you can go to our website, YouTube channel or Facebook. Thank you.